Check. O, magpadayon ta sa itong lapos. Gatag 5 kilos na naluto na daan. Okay, atong pabunuton si ma'am. Ma'am, bunot sa ma'am, huwag numero ma'am.
Our district office for our district projects. Sige, at this moment, akong gihangyo ang mga cluster heads, to introduce the participants. Ang participants na dapat sa luyuhan. Elementary School at Tamunan Elementary School.
From the Kingdom of Tayasan Central School, Tabunan Elementary School, and Nabico Elementary School. We are going to introduce to you our team, Sir Aris Caballo, and his partner, Ma'am Annalyn Pakpak. Tunga. Ngayon na magkamiraan wala yung picture. Okay. Forward, march. Ayuha.
Okay, next to introduce their candidate, the school head from Banga Elementary School, Myrin.
Himayong hapon sa tanan. Our candidates is cluster of Sayun Elementary School, Maximiano F. Bolongaita Elementary School, Maglil Elementary School, and of course our very own school, Banga Elementary School. So let me take this opportunity this afternoon to introduce our representative, our candidates from our cluster. Our male candidate is no other than from Maximiano Elementary School, Mr. Ruel Adventurado. Pakpakod mo! And of course, the beauty from Banga Elementary School, Miss Maria Teresa Salimbagat Iscanio. Pakpak mga ikson!
Next to introduce their candidate, we have Ma'am Shalin G. Sandalo of Navalog Elementary School, Ma'am Nel Pagargaya of Macario Ciponteros, and Pamulan ES for Joseph Academia.
Good afternoon. Wala may na-inform kung sa plano sa kasal rong adlaw sa entourage. Okay, so from our cluster, sa among pamilya, Mama Nata, Ma-Cherry, Ma-Nelfa, Ma-Chilin, o si Ma-Joseph. Mama Nata, Macario Elementary School, Mataota Elementary School, Nabilog Elementary School, and Tambulan Elementary School. Okay? Mama Nata and Miss ang amo ang candidates. Okay. For dili ni Mr. and Miss Pasigarbo, Miss and Miss Pasigarbo 2025. From our cluster, we have the school head of Tambulan Elementary School, Sir Joseph Golauta Academia. And with him is our substitute teacher in Nabilog Elementary School, the sub of Ma'am Elma Fabudais. We have Ma'am Christy Minyosa Ruben. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Okay. Here comes the bride and bride. The bride and the bridesmaid.
Alright! Ako din ako entrance kay Murad. Ako na kay entrance ako. Kani, segundo ni siya sa ilahang team ni Ma'am Cheline. Queen and queen po ni siya. Pero tinamong pinamugos kay ganahan siya nga queen lagi siya. Anyways, let's go give a hand for the representatives of Matauta Community High School, Pinalungan National High School, Lakit Elementary School, and Lutay Elementary School. We have Queen, Queen and Queen, Ronel Tina Mongkali and Ma'am Nawel. Maipa. So, okay, ready? Pahumukay o hawak? Woo!
They reign four kingdoms. The kingdom of Tambulan Community High School, the kingdom of Pinalugan Elementary High School, Pinalugan Elementary School, the kingdom of Ilobangan Elementary School, and the kingdom of Dalaupon Elementary School. Let's welcome the king and queen of Cluster 4. A big round of applause, please.
Nagsimula sa simple ng pasulyap-sulit, papapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, higit na pilig ako. Kumusta ka lang, pero magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyatan. Naramdaman ng puso na dahan-dahan ako nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron ng namumuo. Dahil di ko na alam kung anong natutunguhan. Ang hindi ko lang namahan na itong naramdaman. Sana naman ay mapabigyan na at mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso ko sa'yo lang. Sana naman mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso. Ngunit biglang katahimikan, wala na kang matandaan na nasabi ba ka sa kanan, di kaya kinasamahan. Bigla na lamang kayo di nagparamdam at iba'y nagsawaan o may ginagawa. Sabihin totoo upang di naman ito saan nalulugan. Dahil di ko na alam kung ano natutunan. Ang hindi ko lang namakan na ito'y naramdaman. Ginawa ganda ng bibig. Sana naman ay mapapabigyan na at mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso ko sa'yo. Naramdaman na kung ay nagkalimutan. puso. Oh no, sana'y huwag na magkagabi. Aminin na rin, nilalaman ng damdamin. Sana'y sabihin mo sa akin kung meron mang pagtingin, sana'y ikaw rin. Sana naman ipabigyan na at lang ipakinggan ang buong ng puso ko. Happy birthday, Ma'am Bebel! Bayan ang kaligayahan, sana naman mapagbigyan ang tibok ng puso. Oh no. Everyone, let us sing a song, a happy birthday song to Ma'am Bebel. Sir.
Thank you.